Hello, my name is Andrew Siegel. I'm the senior trial attorney at Siegel Coonerty. We're a personal injury and medical malpractice law firm here in New York City. Today's video topic, cosmetic surgery. We get a lot of calls in this office about cosmetic surgery gone wrong from both men and women. And you need an experienced attorney to tell you the difference between a cosmetic surgery gone wrong, meaning where there's medical malpractice, and a bad result. Because most of the calls we get, it's just a bad result. So I'm going to give you an example of a call we got in a case that I handled and took to trial and got a jury verdict on where it was actual medical malpractice. A woman went in for breast surgery. She had large-sized breasts. She was in her 50s and she wanted them reduced a little bit so they looked more firm and more youthful. She told the doctor that her marriage had been failing and she was hoping that this would perk things up, no pun intended. The doctor told her that he would reduce her 1 cup size in a simple lift and that her breasts would look like teardrops when things were done. She consented to the surgery, and when she woke up from the operation, she had a sense of absence. Her D cups she felt were missing. She ended up with an A cup on the left and a B cup on the right. After that, she ended up having reconstruction surgery to replace the excessive amount of breast tissue that was removed from her during the surgery. What happened here is that the medical insurance industry requires there to be the removal of 300 grams of breast tissue or more for them to pay, for them to consider it to be a medically indicated breast reduction, meaning that they would remove this amount of breast tissue which would alleviate complaints of pain in the back. But my client never had any complaints of pain. What this doctor did was remove an excessive amount of breast tissue to ensure that he would get paid by the insurance company because my client could not afford to pay him for the simple procedure that she came to him for. If you have a cosmetic surgery case gone wrong, gone really wrong, and it's not just a bad result, and you know this, call me, Andrew Siegel, 212-532-0532. I'm your malpractice lawyer.